The day has finally come where I can finally reveal my mystery phone daily driver. I haven't felt excited about a product like this for a while, and today I am going to reveal my mystery phone daily driver. And for those of you that have guessed it, you are right. It is the OnePlus 7 Pro, 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage, and of course I got the Nebula Blue version. I can't wait to unbox this guy, so let's get started. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox this phone. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this monster phone. I'm going to start from here. OnePlus community, a place for like-minded individuals to learn, share, inspire each other with their passion for tech. So let's take that off. Oh, nice. The cover is sliding off. Finally! That looks beautiful in red. Alright, what's inside here? Oh, cool. You got a transparent cover from OnePlus and some paperwork. What is this? Instruction manuals, I think. Never settle. SIM card ejector tool. And what is that? Oh, that's pretty cool. Go beyond speed, never settle. Yeah, it looks like a quick start guide for the OnePlus. That's the warranty. And what is this? What do we got here? An invitation letter. Friend, let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for technology. What sets our tech apart is that we imagine, build, and polish it hand in hand with you. We believe your feedback moves us forward by talking to us online, on our forums, and in person at our meetups. You too can play a role in the development and improvement of our products. We believe this device will exceed your expectations of what a phone should be. Approach it with curious eyes, and we're sure you'll notice some of the many subtle improvements making this device one we are proud of. Your enthusiasm inspires us to never compromise on our values. We are OnePlus. Thank you for making a difference. Never settle. Sincerely, Pete. Well, thanks, Pete. That sounds pretty cool. Wow, that is the device, finally. This looks awesome. The Nebula blue color. Wow. Guys, this really feels premium to the touch, and the display looks brilliant. No notch, high resolution. I can't wait to start testing this phone. And what else is in the box? We've got, okay, this here, the charging brick. That's the warp charge. Yep, the warp charge. And this is going to be very fast. You can charge the phone up to 50% in just half an hour. And what is this? Okay, the OnePlus cable. Oh, I like the red color. That looks awesome. Let's go ahead and turn on the device. So I've just turned on the device, and the OnePlus logo. Agree. You can see this, guys. There's no notch. Beautiful zero notch. There's a bit of a chin here, but that's not a problem at all. I can't even notice it. This feels really premium to the hand. Wow. This is actually pretty cool. And guys, I can't describe the 90 hertz screen right now, but it is so fluid. It is super smooth. I mean, this is going to spoil me for good. I don't think I'd ever want to go back to a 60 hertz screen after this. Let's check out the camera. All right, so check this out. This is the best part of the phone. Oh, that's pretty cool. I want to do that again. So this phone is an absolute beauty, but the only thing that I'm missing right now is a cover. I need to get a cover as soon as I can. The 90 hertz screen is buttery smooth, and everything about this phone feels so awesome. It is so fast, and I love the screen. However, I'm not really a big fan of the curved edges here, but that does not bother me a lot. I like the buttons, the 3-camera array. I need to test the camera. That's going to be for another video. And there you go, guys. The unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Thanks for watching.